Smart Notebook is the Smart Podium's onboard annotation, creation, and development application. There are a variety of uses for Smart Notebook. We will focus on uses and strategies that provide the greatest impact with the least amount of time to develop class review resources, activities, and tutorials. Let's look at the interface to Notebook 11. Notebook has a ribbon of tools across the top of the application. A small black triangle next to any tool on the ribbon allows you to click on the triangle to access additional related resources. Along the left side of the interface is a series of tabs. By default, Notebook opens in Page View, the first tab in the series. Page View will build down pages similar to PowerPoint as you add pages to your document. Like PowerPoint, you can drag and rearrange the order of the pages in the sidebar. The second tab in the series is the Clip Art Gallery tab. Notebook has an extensive onboard clip art gallery that includes backgrounds, images, and flash animations. Take the time to review the clip art gallery and familiarize yourself with the resources. The third tab in the series is the File Attachment tab. You can batch upload your own images into Notebook to then drag onto the document window for use with drawing tools or other Notebook resources. The fourth tab in the series is the Color Fill and Stroke tab. This tab provides ready access to the fill and stroke selections. The fifth tab in the series is the Activity Builder tab. With the Activity Builder, you can create your own drag-and-drop activities for students to use with the free Express Notebook resource. Let's look more closely at the functionality of the Notebook tools. Starting from the left, the first two selections are Previous or Next Page, selections that will move you up and down the page view. The next 6 tool resources from the top left are Undo, Redo, and Open File. Below them, from the left, are Add Page with the green plus sign, Delete Page with the red X, and Save. The next tool to the right is the Screen View button. Use the small triangle at the lower right of the button to access the drop-down selections. Smart Notebook lets you present your notebook presentation full screen like the PowerPoint presentation view. Using Transparent Background View, you can see the desktop and windows behind the Smart Notebook software window and continue to interact with the open transparent page. You can display 2 pages side by side with dual page display. You can draw, make notes, import files, and add links on either page in the same way as you would on a single page. To show 2 pages side by side in full screen mode, first select Dual Page Display. Adjust your page view to show the 2 pages you want, then select Full Screen View. Notebook gives you the option to display the screens at enlarged or reduced sizes, or to adjust the view of the page to include the entire page. You can select the Display the Entire Page width as well. To the right of the Screen View selection are 8 additional resources. From the top left they are Paste, Capture Cameras, Document Camera, which is not used at the college, and Measuring Tools. From the lower left, Delete, Shade, Table, and Smart Resources, a free website with pre-made activities. The capture cameras provide 4 tools for capturing images from your computer screen. From the left, the bounding text box capture allows you to drag a bounding box around anything you want to capture as a picture that is displayed on your computer. To the right is the area capture. When this tool is selected, diagonal lines will appear. As you move the cursor around, The diagonal lines will fill specific areas like the ribbon toolbar. You will capture the area filled with diagonal lines. The third selection from the left is the full screen capture. When selected, the next mouse click will do a full screen capture of what is displayed on your computer. The last section at the far right is the irregular shape capture. It allows you to draw around irregular shapes to capture the image. The measuring tools include a ruler, protractor, triangle, and compass. When one of these tools is selected, an actual working object is displayed in the document window. Measurements made with the tool will be displayed. The shade toggles a movable screen shade. This is useful if you want to cover particular material and reveal it in increments. The small round indentations at each side of the screen allow you to open the shade from any of these locations, left, top, right, or bottom. Finally, to the far right on the toolbar, you have the drawing and text tools. From the top left are the Selection tool, Shapes, Regular Shapes, and Fill. From the lower left are Pens, Text, Arrows, and Eraser. When you select any of these tools, a Properties tool will appear to the right. The properties include color selection, line or border selection, and transparency. Each of these properties has a small triangle at the lower right corner to provide access to additional selections. The Pen tool has a variety of pen selections from the Additional Resources drop-down. The Shapes, Fills, Text, Arrows, and Eraser selections all provide additional resources from a drop-down selection, so each tool is highly customizable